Hello everyone. Today we'll focus on, wait, check voice also. Voice is okay, voice is clear. Now today we'll focus on how can solve this type of problem. Okay, simply integration of x minus 5 into under root x square plus 5 dx. Okay, I have already discussed how can do this type of problem. Simply if px plus q into under root of how much ax square plus bx plus c into dx type problem available, then how can solve? Simply this one taken px plus q, this be equal to a into differentiation of this quadratic equation here, ax square plus bx plus c and divide by dx plus a new constant b. After that determine a and b, capital A and b, and put here, then you can solve. Okay, so that concept apply here. Simply look here x minus 5 into under root x square plus 5. So how can do this type of problem? Take first of all x minus 5 is how much? A into differentiation of how much? Quadratic equation. So that is x square plus 5 divided by dx plus a new constant b. After that x minus 5 is written as how much? A into, that is 2x, differentiation of x square is how much? 2x, and differentiation of 5 is 0. So 2x plus 5 and plus b, sorry, 2x plus 0, okay, because differentiation of 5 is 0, because this is that one is constant, that's why, okay, plus b. Now after that look here x minus 5, this be equal to 2a into x plus b. So now compare here x that is 2a, this be equal to 1. So what about a is 1 by 2, and what about b is how much? Minus 5. So a is 1 by 2 and b is how much? Minus 5. These two value put here. So you can write now here very carefully. Simply this one written integration of a into, a means 1 by 2, so written 1 by 2 into differentiation of x square plus 5, that is written 2x plus only 2x into dx, okay, into dx, sorry, 2x into under root of x square plus 5 into dx, okay, plus b is how much? Minus 5. So written here minus 5 integration of, okay, what about that value? Under root of x square plus 5 into dx, okay, very clear. After that look here, if this one is t, then what about that value? Simply dt. If anyone face any doubt why you can say that dt, so you can take here very carefully x square plus 5, this be equal to t square. So x dx, this be equal to t dt. So you can say that 2x x into dx, x basically x dx replaced to t into dt, okay, into under root of x square plus 5 is written simply t, so t square, okay. So what about that value? Here t cube divided by 3 plus c. And what about t? T basically how much? X square plus 5 to whole power 3 by 2 divided by 3 plus c. Okay, clear or not? So simply you can say that 2 cancel. So that value is written as how much? Integration of this one, simply x square plus 5 to whole power 3 by 2 divided by how much? 3. Okay, now minus 5. What about that value? I know that integration of, look here, integration of x square, here 5, so a square is how, dx is written as how much, 1 by 2 x under root x square plus a square into log of modulus of x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. So what about x? So first I've written 1 by 2. X is how much? Simply x. So x under root x square plus a square. So x square plus a. Basically root 5 is also written root 5 to the whole square. So a is how much? Root 5. So x square plus 5 plus a square is how much? 5 into log of modulus of x plus under root x square plus 5. Okay, look here, x square plus 5 divided by 3 to whole power 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Here this one written under root of x square plus 5 log of modulo x plus under root x square plus 5, okay, plus c. Okay, clear or not? Make it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay. Also clear? Now, after that, if this one is changed, suppose that is x dx, then how can solve? Then how can solve this type of problem? Okay, simply look here. Again, x minus 5 is taken a into differentiation of x square plus x with respect to dx plus b. So x minus 5 this is equal to 2x plus 1 into a plus b. So x minus 5 this is equal to 2a into x plus a plus b. So 2a this is equal to how much? 1. So a this is equal to 1 by 2 and b this a plus b this is equal to minus 5. So if a is how much? 1 by 2, then b is how much? Minus 5 and minus half, that is how much? Minus 11 by 2. Okay, so a is 1 by 2 and what about b? B is minus 11 by 2. Okay, so basically x minus 5 replaced to a into differentiation of this one plus b. So that value put here. So this one replaced to that one. Okay, so now what about a? A is how much? 1 by 2. Okay, a into 1 by 2 into differentiation of this one. Here 2x plus 1 into under root x square plus x dx. B is how much? Minus 11 by 2. So written minus 11 by 2 into under root of x square plus x into dx. Okay, look, if this one is t, then what about that value? Dt. Okay, so you can say that x square plus x is t basically, then 2x plus x1 dx replaced to dt. So you can say that integration of t to power half dt, basically t to power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus new constant c1. So you can say that if this one is considered t, then that one dt. So integration of this one written here how much? T to power means x square plus 2 x square plus x to whole power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Okay, so now that one written simply how much? T basically, what about that value? Here x square plus x to whole power 3 by 2 divided by how much? Simply 3 by 2 and a constant c1. Now after that we are focused on how can solve this type of problem. Simply first of all make perfect square. Okay, this one make perfect square. Here x square plus x, so this one written x square plus 2 into 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 4 adding and 1 by 4 subtracting, and that one written x plus 1 by 2 to the whole square minus half to the whole square. Okay, so minus 11 by 2 integration of under root, that one written how much? X plus half of whole square minus 1 by 2 to the whole square. Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. I hope so clear. So how can solve? First of all make it, I know that what about formula here? Under root x square minus a square is basically how much? So first of all, if this one, okay wait, you can also minimize. Okay, I know the formula of under root x square minus a square is dx is how much? 1 by 2 into x under root x square minus a square log of mod of x plus under root x square minus a square. Okay, so basically that is the formula of plus a new constant c2 or c1 or c whatever. Okay, so x is basically x plus half, and what about a basically 1 by 2. Okay, so now these two value, x replaced to x plus 1 by 2 and a replaced to 1 by 2 here. Then this one written how much? First of all, what about that value? So 2 to cancel, so you can say that 1 by 3 into x square plus x to whole power 3 by 2 minus 11 by 2 into 1 by 2 also written, so basically 11 by 4 minus 11 by 4 common, x basically x plus half, okay, into under root, what about that value? Simply x square plus x, okay, minus a square is how much? 1 by 2 to the whole square, basically 1 by 4 into log of mod of x plus half plus under root, what about that value? After solving this one we got same here, x square plus x, a new constant c2 c1, and this after integrating this one, then we got a new constant c2, so c1 plus c2 replaced to another constant c. So final answer like that one. I hope so clear. Make it. So final answer is how much? Simply this one. Okay, make it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, Okay, I will repeat again how can solve this type of problem. Simply, first of all, look here, our motto, how can solve this type of problem. Here x minus 5 is written as simply a into differentiation of this quadratic equation plus a new constant b. After that, simply then we got how much a and b after solving, compare, then we got a and b. These two value put here, this one replaced to that one. So a basically 1 by 2 into differentiation of that one. So a is 1 by 2 into 2x plus 1 and b is how much, minus 11 by 2 put here. Then we got how much, written like that one. After that, for integrate this one and after that this one. If you look very carefully, here under root x square plus x is t. Okay, if this one is taken t, so 2x plus 1 dx is replaced to dt. So integration of this one, t to power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus c1. Okay, t basically how much, x square plus x. So written t replaced to x square plus x to whole power 3 by 2 and plus c1 new constant. After that integration of this, how can integrate? This one make perfect square. Here x square plus x. Basically I want to this one make perfect square means a minus b to the whole square or a plus b to the whole square. But here x square plus x means our motto, how can make perfect square of like a plus b to the whole square. So that's why here to multiply 2 and divide by 2. So this one written, and if here a is x square plus 2 into a into b, so b is a is x, then b is how much, 1 by 2. So that's why 1 by 2 to the whole square is adding and 1 by 2 to the whole square subtracting. Then we got how much, that part is basically x plus 1 by 2 to the whole square minus 1 by 2 to the whole square. Okay, so that value put here, this one replaced to that one. After that, formula of x under root x square minus a square is written like that one. So x replaced to x plus half and a replaced to 1 by 2. Okay, then put this value and find the answer. Okay, if anyone face any at any step, if anyone face, I also clear. Okay, now after that I will focus on next problem. Okay, everyone satisfied. Okay, thank you very much. So we have focus on next. How can do next problem, whatever be the problem number. Here x into cos theta minus 1 whole divided by, that is x square minus 2x into cos theta plus 1 into dx. How can solve? Simply look here very carefully. X cos theta minus 1 dx divided by x square minus 2x cos theta plus 1. How can solve this type of problem? First of all, everyone can try. Okay, everyone can try. Simply here integration of x cos theta minus 1 divided by x square minus 2x cos theta plus 1 dx. Okay, simply here dx, it means cos theta is constant here, very carefully. So first of all try, means x cos theta minus 1, this is equal to a into differentiation of this one, so 2x minus cos theta plus b. After that x cos theta minus 1, this is equal to 2a into x plus b minus a cos theta. So Now compare this one to this one. So 2a is equal to how much? Cos theta. So a is equal to cos theta by 2. And second one, b minus a cos theta, this is equal to minus 1. Okay. So what about b? b is equal to minus 1 plus a cos theta. Minus 1. A is how much? Cos theta by 2. So cos theta square by 2. So that value replaced to how much? Minus 2 plus cos square theta divided by 2. Okay, I hope so clear. So a replaced to cos theta by 2 and b replaced to cos square theta minus 2 divided by 2. Okay. Now these two value put here corresponding to here. Then we got how much? A is cos theta by 2. So that is cos theta by 2. Okay. Into 2x minus cos theta divided by how much? X square minus 2x into cos theta plus 1 dx. Okay. And b is how much? Cos theta square minus 2 divided by 2 integration of dx divided by x square minus 2x cos theta plus 1. Okay. So if this one is t, then that one dt. So you can say that cos theta by 2 into log of modulus of x square minus 2x cos theta plus 1 plus c1. After that, focus on that part basically. So this one written cos square theta minus 2 divided by 2. How can integrate? Look here. Here x square minus 2x cos theta. One is written as how much? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. So this one written x minus cos theta to the whole square plus sin square theta. So basically that one replaced to dx divided by how much? X minus cos theta to the whole square plus sin square theta. Okay. Now what about that value? Simply cos theta by 2 into log of modulus of x square minus 2x into cos theta plus 1. What about that value here? Cos theta square minus 2 divided by 2. What about that value? This one written 1 by sin theta into tan inverse x minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus a new constant C2. So corresponding to C2 and here C1. C1 plus C2 is how much? Another these two replaced to another constant C. So written, that's why C. I hope so clear. Make it. So final answer look like. Okay. How can so simply this one written a into differentiation of this one 2x Oh, wait, here silly mistake. 2x minus 2. Okay, 2x minus 2 cos theta. So that is 2 here 2. Okay, after that a is cos theta by 2, is clear. And what about b? Then b is basically b minus 2 cos theta. 2 cos theta, this will equal to minus 1. So that is 2. If this one going on this side, then 2. So basically here 2. So 2 to cancel. So 1 minus so this one written basically, this one written minus 1 common, so 1 minus cos square theta, and that is minus sin theta. Okay, so silly mistake here. So that one basically how much? Okay, and here okay, sin square theta basically, minus sin square theta. So this one minus sin square theta, and here minus sin square theta, and here minus sin square theta and 1 sin cancel. So simply you can write now here minus minus sin theta into tan inverse. Okay, this is the final answer. Make it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Now next problem is, so clear, very clear. A silly mistake here, that's why after correction final answer is like that one. Okay, so sometime silly mistake always present due to human error though. So clear. Now we have focus on next problem. Integration of 2 sin 2x minus cos x divided by 6 minus cos square x minus 4 sin x into dx. Okay, how can solve? How can solve this type of problem? If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I also clear. Okay, don't worry. Wait, I will check. Okay, now how can solve? Wait, look here. Integration of 2 into sin 2x minus cos x divided by 6 minus cos square x minus 4 sin x dx. This is the problem. So how can solve this type of problem? Okay, first of all everyone can try, then after that I will do. Okay, after that I will do. If you see very carefully, 2 sin 2x is written as 2 into sin x into cos x, and here cos x, divided by here minus 6. This one is also replaced to 1 minus sin x. So 1 minus sin square x, cos square x is written 1 minus sin square x, and minus 4 into sin x dx. So this one 4 sin x minus 1 into cos x into dx divided by, what about that value? Here 6 minus 1 5 plus sin square x and okay, look here, let sin x this be equal to t, then cos x dx this be equal to how much, dt. So if sin x replaced to t, then cos x dx replaced to dt. Okay, so you can say that this one written 4t minus 1 divided by how much, t square minus 4t plus 5 into dt. After that again try anyone sin 2x is written 2 sin x into cos x, and here cos x and cos x replaced to 1 minus sin square x. So 5 minus 1, that is 6 minus 1 is 5, and here minus minus plus plus sin square x, and this is 4 sin x. Okay, after that I think no any error in this 3 step. Okay, so after that take sin x is t, then cos x dx replaced to dt. So written like that one, finally written like that one. Okay, so look here very carefully, how can solve this type of problem. Simply 4t, now 4t minus 1 this will equal to a into differentiation of denominator, this one 2t minus 4 plus b. So what about a and b? So 4t minus 1 is written as 2t minus 4a plus b. So what about a? Here a also. So what about a? A is 2a this equal to 4, so a this equal to 2, and 4a plus b. Basically we are compared to this one, and this one to this one. So minus 4a plus b this equal to minus 1. So if a put here, b this equal to minus 1, so b this equal to minus 1 plus 8, minus 1 plus 8, that is how much, 7. So you can say that this one written very simple, 4t minus 1 replaced to a into a is how much, 2, so written 2 into 2t minus 4 divided by how much, t square minus 4t plus 5 into dt. And what about b? B basically 1 by 7, sorry, simple 7 into dt divided by how much, what about that value, t square minus 4t plus 5. Okay, this one is very easy. If this one is t, then that one is dt. So simply log t means log t square plus if this one is p, then that is dp. Okay, or you can say if this one is y, then that is dy. So very simple, integration of y dy is simply log y plus c1. But how can you integrate this one? This one make perfect square. Always make perfect square. Perfect square means a plus b to the whole square or a minus b to the whole square. Here minus a square, sorry, look here, t square minus 4t plus 5. So basically this one written t square into 2 into 2 into t. So a is t, then b is how much, 2. So that's why 2 square adding and 2 square subtracting. So very simple, here 5 already written here, so 4 plus 1, not adding, not subtracting, because of 5 is already given. So 5 is our motor requirement of 2 square. So 5 is also written 2 square plus 1, so 4 plus 1. So that one written t minus 2, very simple question. Okay, so now this one written 2 into integration of 2t minus 4 into dt divided by t square minus 4t plus 5 plus how much 7 divided by 7 into dt divided by how much t minus 2 to the whole square plus 1 to the whole square. I know that integration of dx divided by x square plus a square is how much 1 by a into tan inverse x upon a plus c. So basically x replaced to t minus 2. Okay, if you compare this formula, simply x is basically t minus 2, and what about a? A is 1. So you can say that, so first of all, what about that value? This is written as 2 into log of modulus of this one t square minus 4t plus 5 plus 7 into 1 by a. 1 by a is basically 1. Okay, into tan inverse t minus 2 upon 1 plus a new constant c, and after that t replaced to basically t, I have taken t is sin x, so that's why final answer is t replaced to sin x. Okay, then we got final answer modulus of sin x to the whole square minus 4 sin x plus 5 plus 7 into tan inverse sin x minus 2 divided by 1, or simply tan inverse sin x minus 2 plus c is the right answer. Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Ayush, or you get yes, sin x is taken t, good. Yes, a perfect square, yes, good. So I hope so. Make it. If anyone face any problem, then comment it. I hope so clear. So how can make this question is very interesting question, not hard but interesting. This question, first of all, resolving. Okay, this one written like 2 into 2 sin x breaking 2 sin x into cos x, then we got like that one, and cos x also replacing sin is 1 minus sin square x, cos square x replaced to 1 minus sin square x. Then we got how much here, if sin x taken t, then cos x dx replaced to dt, so that's why written like that one. After that 4t minus 1 upon t square minus 4t plus 5 into dt. How can integrate? Simply 4t minus 1, this be equal to a into differentiation of denominator, okay, plus a new constant b. After that compare, then we got a this be equal to 2 and b this be equal to plus 7. Okay, after that next target, these two value a and b put here, and that this value will be replaced to that one, then we got like that one. This one is very easy, because if this one is p or y, then that is dy, so you can say that log y. But how can integrate this one? This one make perfect square. How can make perfect square? Here t square minus 4t plus 5, so written here 4t is written minus 4t is written 2 into 2 into t, so that's why t square minus 2 into 2 into t plus 5 is written as 4 plus 1. Then we got t minus 2 to the whole square plus 1, so this one replaced to t minus 2 to the whole square plus 1. Okay, after that this value put here, then we got like that one. So next target is this formula matching corresponding to that one. Integration of dx divided by x square plus a square is written as 1 by a into tan inverse x upon a, and okay, and here x is basically t minus 2, so basically x replaced to t minus 2, then